We are from AGN school. Here we had made a project for the field of disaster management. This prototype can detect human beings around a particular range. This can be used in the field of disaster management. Many human-made collapses such as skyscrapers, houses, buildings, etc. will fall down if any disaster was held in that place. The urban research and rescuers says that a man can be saved from the death if he had rescued in 2 days after the disaster had held. So the victim was to be detected from the time of 2 days after the disaster had happened. It is not easy to find the victims because they even trapped in a small hiding places. So we get done this project. This project can save human beings from disaster. This can detect human beings in the place where the disaster had held. This is a PIR sensor. This is an LCD display. This is a breadboard, and this is an Arduino board. These are jumper wires, and this is a buzzer. And now let's see about Arduino board. Arduino is an open source platform for using for field of robotics. And this board is linked with both software and hardware. This is a USB port. By using a USB cable and a PC, we can program this Arduino board. A software called Arduino IDE was used to program this Arduino board. This is the Arduino IDE app. It is an open source software company used to program the Arduino board. The codes will be saved in this microcontroller. This is the USB jack. We can give a power supply by using a battery adapter in this USB barrel jack. This is a crystallizing oscillator, and these are power pins, analog reference pins, and digital pins.
Next we see the connections. We are used the digital pins to LCD and PIR motion sensor and power jack. We take the 5 volt to the breadboard for 800 point breadboard, and we take the ground to the breadboard. And we take the digital pins to the LCD and PIR motion sensor and for the buzzer.
This is the 62-inch LED display. This display have 16 boxes each line, and this will display letters in its screen. It is called a liquid crystal display. Next, let's see about the PIR sensor.
I am going to tell about PIR sensor. PIR sensor is a sensor which can detect human beings around approximately 10 meters from the sensor. This is an approximate range. The actual range is from the 5 meter to 12 meter. The infrared rays are emitted from the human body. This is used to detect the human being. The full form of PIR is a passive infrared sensor.
Now let's see about the breadboard. The breadboard is very different and apart from the solder board. If we give any wrong connections in the solder board, means we want to reconnect all the connections in the solder board, and it is a great work that we want to take out the soldered wires and we want to solder again. But in a breadboard, there are many pins and jumper wires. If any connections was wrong, we simply took the wire and place it in another pin. So it is very easy for the simple prototypes. Now let's see about the code. In this code, we have programmed that when a human was detected, it will give the output in the LCD display and sound as in a buzzer. Now it's a LCD display. It is checking for the humans. Now it is checking for the humans in range. I show the hand before the PIR sensor. It shows that human rays detected. It means the PIR sensor senses that a human is near the particular distance. It gives it as an output in the LCD display. If any humans are not in a particular distance, it will show that no human rays detected or no human rays. The applications of this project are these projects are used will be used in disaster management, the place where disaster held. So, for example, in 2001 a great disaster happened in Gujarat. So, for like that great disasters, we can use this project to detect human beings, and we can do these prototypes in rover-like model, drone, or etc. So the applications of this project will be very will make an enhanced society. So this project is used for the disaster management. management. So use this project and save people from disasters.